In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write a variable equation from words. So if we have a problem like this that says, write the following sentence as an equation, and we have some words here that say, the product of 389 and x added to 228 equals x. So we need to figure out how to write an equation out of this. So let's just break it down bit by bit. So here it says product of 389 and x. So that means multiply 389 and x. That's what the product of 389 and x means. So let's put that down. So 389 dot x. A dot just means multiply. Now this one says added to 228. So that's our next one, is we add 228. So let's do that. Add 228. And then finally, over here it says equals x. So that's our third step, equals x. So now we've done it. So 389x plus 228 equals x. So what if we have another one that says, write the following sentence as an equation. 239 is 320 times y. So first thing to know is this means equals. When you see is, it means equals. So let's write that in. 239 is actually 239 equals. Now we look at this part here. 320 times y. That just means multiply. 320 times y. And that's it. That's our equation. And that's all there is to that type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.